Good morning, friends. How are you all? So, today my topic is in trigonometry. How many trigonometric ratios are there? What are the definitions of trigonometric ratios? Today's my topic. So, now I want to explain trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So, overall, trigonometric ratios are 6 trigonometric ratios. So, in the 6 trigonometric ratios, 3 trigonometric ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and their reciprocals 3 ratios are there: cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. So, then overall 6 trigonometric ratios will be there. So, first of all, first one is sin theta. Second one is cos theta, third one is tan theta. So the next fourth one is cosecant theta, and fifth one is secant theta, sixth one is cot theta. So in that, sin theta reciprocal is cosecant theta, means sin theta is equals to written as 1 by cosecant theta. Why? Because sin theta reciprocal is cosecant theta, cosecant theta reciprocal is sin theta, and similarly cos theta is equals to can be written as 1 by secant theta, means cos theta reciprocal is secant theta, secant theta reciprocal is cos theta. So sin letter first letter is S and cosecant theta first letter is C. Cos theta first letter is S, C, and secant theta first letter is S. Like that you remember. And the next one more thing is tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. So tan theta is equals to 1 by tan theta reciprocal is cot theta and cot theta reciprocal is tan theta. So these are the trigonometric ratios. What are the definitions of trigonometric 6 ratios, my dear friends? So now, for example, now I consider a circle. So in the circle, I am taking coordinate plane. This is x-axis and this is x dash. This is y-axis and this is y dash. And both are meeting at the point is origin O. Now I consider one point P x comma y in quadrant 1, means in the coordinate plane it is divided into 4 parts: first part, second part, third part, and fourth part. So overall divided into 4 parts. So now I consider one point P x comma y is a ordered pair, is lies on the circle. So now I joined this is O to P, this is called as radius. Now here OP distance is nothing but radius. Why? Because the distance between center of the circle to any point lies on the circle. The between distance is called as radius of the circle. So this P point to I drawn perpendicular to x-axis. This point I consider as M. So then now here this is here I am taking acute angle is theta. So now here PMO is right angle triangle is formed. So based on that right angle triangle, so first of all I want to explain. So first one is, what is the definition of sin theta? Definition of sin theta is nothing but in a right angle triangle, the acute angle opposite theta to hypotenuse, means simply it can be written as opposite side is PM and hypotenuse is OP. So now here this OM distance is equal to x, this is x, and PM distance is y. Substitute here PM is nothing but y and OP is nothing but r. So the definition of sin theta is y by r, friends. So similarly the second one is cos theta. Cos theta is equals to the acute angle adjacent side to hypotenuse. So means that is nothing but OM by OP. What is OM? OM is nothing but X by OP is nothing but R. This is nothing but cos theta definition is X by R, my dear friends. So similarly, third one is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to, what is the definition? In the acute angle opposite side to adjacent side means that is nothing but PM is the opposite side and OM is the adjacent side, that is nothing but Y by X. So that is the definition of tan theta, my dear friends. So similarly, so now here fourth one is cosecant theta. What is the definition of cosecant theta? Means it is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta, already I told you. So sin theta is nothing but, already know that 1 by y by r, then you are taking reciprocal means that is nothing but r by y will get. R by y. Cosecant theta definition is r by y. And similarly, fifth one is secant theta. Secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, and that equals to 1 by, what is the cos theta? Means the x by r, and taken as reciprocal is r by x. R by x is the definition of secant theta, friends. So similarly, the sixth one is cot theta. Cot theta is equals to reciprocal of tan theta. So 1 by tan theta, that is equals to 1 by, what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but y by x. Then taken as reciprocal is x by y. So cot theta is equals to x by y. That is the definition of 6 trigonometric ratios, friends. So then the 3 trigonometric ratios and their reciprocals also, some relations will be there. I want to explain that relations also. Now relation between these trigonometric ratios. What is the first relation? Means suppose here sin theta into cosecant theta is equals to 1. Why? Because reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Sin theta, cosecant theta get cancelled, then you will get 1. So similarly, cos theta into secant theta is equals to 1. And again third one is tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. So these are the 3 relations between, so that ratios and their reciprocals, my dear friends. Okay, so this is a topic about trigonometric ratios definitions, my dear friends. Okay, so if you like my video, so please give one like and again comment me, and so if till now who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click the bell symbol, then my next notifications will come to your mobile, friends. So in the next my topic is, I'll come for the identities in the trigonometry. Okay, so until wait, thank you all. I wish you all the best, my dear friends. Thank you all.